Elon to get the last laugh as ultra-ambitious Tesla Model Y prediction comes true. That sounds like one of your headlines there, Will.
Yeah.
Elon gets last laugh. What? What did he do?
That the Model Y is going to be the best-selling car in the world.
Oh, yeah. It's extremely successful. Did people doubt him on that?
Because it's an EV as well.
Right. So I guess the thing was, it was kind of like a building process where the Y was the beneficiary of all the work that had been done with the 3 and the S and the X. And then it was like, okay, this is V4. This is the most suitable car for most people. Do you know what I'm saying? Like all the learnings and progress leading up to it. Before Tesla ever brought the Model Y to market in 2020, Musk made bold predictions about how popular the vehicle would become. He said that he anticipated Model Y demand would be about twice as high as the demand for Model 3, which was already the best-selling electric car at the time. In 2016, he estimated demand for Y between 500,000 and 1 million units per year. That was 4 years before the vehicle was even released. And he went so far as to predict that Model Y would become the best-selling car globally, which obviously that's what's going on right now. And I can just tell you completely anecdotally, if I'm out on the street, it's Y. It's just Ys everywhere. It probably goes Y, 3, and then X, and then S, I would say. Anecdotally, just in this neighborhood.
Yeah. 3s are pretty common up here as well.
That's why I went Y, 3. And then I think I see more X's than S's, honestly.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think S is the least popular. I mean, anecdote. So over here in our life. But yeah, good for Elon, good for Tesla. No surprise.